In this tutorial I will show you how to create wavy effect in Adobe Photoshop. Go to File and choose the place embedded. Choose the image and click on Place. Change the mood in Overlay. Add a mask. Choose the brush tool. Change the foreground color black. Choose the brush style in soft round. Follow the process. Select the background layer and make a copy of it. Drag to front. Change the mood select in color. That's it, hope you like it. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. Leave your comments below you have any question.